Hi everybody, it's Martin from Branco Customs here, and today I've got a couple of friction folding mini cleavers that I'd like to show you guys. So this one here, one half of the knife is made from a solid block of 304 stainless steel, whereas the other side has a stainless liner with a nice piece of blue stabilised wood. There's also a backspacer which features some spine filing, and the main blade itself has got a beautiful hollow grind with a satin finish. Although the blade itself is about 4 mm thick, with the hollow grind it gives quite a nice slicey edge. The pocket clip on this, also with a nice satin finish, is actually titanium, which has a nice spring feature so that it actually clips onto your pocket really nicely. The tension of the blade pivot is adjustable so that you can change just how easily the blade opens and closes to suit your preference. The other one here is a very similar general construction, so far as the stainless steel on one side and the wood on the other, but this one is slightly more special. So this one actually has a button lock feature with a fold out knot spike. So my client wanted to be able to pick knots with this spike, so I made it so that it actually does have a locking mechanism, which again is not a knife, so it's still legal to have this in general everyday carry. So for a safety feature, I put it so that it's got two different settings. You can fold it out to 90 degrees or 180 degrees for your comfort, depending on the situation of the knot that you want to pick. Again, friction folding knives are really great because they're legal in most countries where locking knives are not illegal. And also, again, the blade on these is less than 3 inches, so there's no reason why you couldn't carry one of these every day. If you like my videos and the things I create and would like to see more of it, please hit like, hit subscribe, and then if you also hit the notification bell, you'll be notified as soon as I release some new material on YouTube. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, or why not check out my website for the most comprehensive information. And if you would like to either order a custom knife for yourself or as a gift for someone, please check out my website, www.brancocustoms.com. Thank you.